A Swiss Army knife is known that include many different tools. Some tools are fixed and some are removable, like tweezers, toothpick, or the stainless steel pin, for example. But all of these are extremely useful for different tasks each one. There are some additional official tools and accessories like Victorinox Mini Tools Set, the Firefly and the Fire and Swiss Army Knife fire starters, the Helix Tinder, for example. Also, as we have seen in previous videos, there is the possibility alternatively to add some extra tools of our choice, like this one. I have added a metal sharpening file in my Swiss Army knife, just in case. So we can make our Swiss Army knife even more useful and adapt it to our needs. However, it is not possible to add all these mini tools we want to our Swiss Army knife. So would it be ideal in this case to use an accessory that costed me less than $1 to be able to carry all these mini tools we want on our Swiss Army knife? I'm talking about a mini keychain aluminum waterproof capsule. The keychain capsule is a metal waterproof durable container inside which we can place whatever items we need to carry easily without damaging the item. I believe that by using a waterproof capsule we can carry all the extra mini tools we need. So let's see some examples so you can understand what I mean. Victorinox Mini Tool Set includes a flathead, a Torx and a Phillips head screwdrivers and a SIM card tool. All these mini tools are extremely useful and placed very cleverly, twisted in the corkscrew of a Swiss Army knife like this. So it is possible to carry an extra very useful mini tool anytime with you. But it is not possible to carry all these mini tools on a Swiss Army knife. You have to choose only one each time, because a Swiss Army knife doesn't include 4 corkscrews. Also, some Swiss Army knives doesn't have a corkscrew. In this case, you're gonna miss the other mini tools. So I'm thinking using a mini waterproof capsule, it is possible to carry all these mini tools at the same time, so you don't miss any tool. All the mini tools fit inside the capsule as well. Not actually extra weight, so it is very easy to carry all the tools that you want with your Swiss Army knife. Also, the Helix Tinder and the fire starters for Swiss Army knife, placed twisted in the corkscrew as well, so you have an extra survival tools on US or Swiss Army knife to be prepared just in case. But again, you have to choose what tool you gonna carry with you, the fire starter or a mini tool. In this case, using the waterproof capsule, you don't miss any tool. it is possible to carry the mini tools and the fire starter with the Helix Tinder. Actually, it is too easy to carry the capsule with your Swiss Army knife. It is very lightweight and the size is too small, so not any issue about. As you already know, the most Swiss Army knives includes the famous scale tools, tweezers, toothpick or a stainless steel pin. But some Swiss Army knives doesn't include the scale tools, doesn't have the slot that you can place inside the scale tools. In this case, of course, using the waterproof capsule, you can add inside the scale tools so you don't miss any of these mini tools, because all is quite useful for me. Also, there are some extra scale tools available, like the Firefly fire starter, that it came to replace the toothpick on your Swiss Army knife, so you will have a survival tool on your Swiss Army knife. But again, you have to choose the toothpick or the Firefly. It is not possible to carry both of these tools at the same time, so you can place one of these in the capsule. Find the right size of the capsule. Mine is the smallest size, so it is possible to find a larger capsule that you can fit inside any tool you like, any tool you will need. For the people who carrying the Victorinox Cyber tool, it's a good idea to add some extra bits in the capsule, so you have more options and you make your Cyber tool much more functional. Warp a little bit of tape around the capsule to upgrade your EDC gear. The tape could be useful in many tasks. So let's see what I have inside in my waterproof capsule, because something could be useful to you also. I have the Phillips head screwdriver, fishing line, fishing weights, needle with wrapped thread, a paper clip, MacGyver's multi-tool, a tiny magnet, fishing hook, the fire and fire steel. I have removed it from the handle to save a lot of space, and the Helix waterproof tinder. And last, Over here I have a water purification tablet just in case, to cleaning water just in case. Actually, this is a pretty nice tiny survival kit. So my friends, I hope to join the today's video. Tell me your opinions about if this accessory is a nice addition to your Swiss Army knife. Of course, you can carry it in your keychain or in your wallet. I'm waiting your comments about. Until the next video, stay safe. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching.